told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Uterus strategy. It's okay. It's okay to say no to people. Don't feel ashamed. Don't feel like you're going to hurt them.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Shakie, my love, and on this planet, on this platform, we do talk about things about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, sewing, and level up videos. So if you're interested in the above mentioned, kindly go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video. Today I'm styled by me. This dress is from Premium's Glam. My glam, of course, it's made by me. Look at that, it's giving vibes. So it's made by me and it's available in different styles, in different colors, and guys, you can't miss that. So kindly go ahead and subscribe, and today's video is going to be a level up video, a quick one, and we're going to be talking about things that you stop as ladies, as men, as females, as males, and as youths, as any other human being. So I'm going to be discussing those things, and I hope you like it. And if you've been doing one of these, you should stop. Like, it's high time you stopped. So I'm going to sit down. There is makeup in my background because I'm from doing this tutorial, a get ready with me tutorial, and that's why my face is really full glammed. That's cute, right? That is cute, right? So in no particular order, I'm going to give you these points, these things that I think we should work on, I think we should change, or we should leave behind, or we should stop doing. Actually, some things we do them and we don't know that they affect us. Some things we do them and our friends don't tell us, our parents, our relatives, that we are doing wrong things. But I'm here for you guys. I'm here to discuss such things that I think they make us look cheap and weird, and they lead to disrespect. People disrespect us because of these things, certain things that we don't even know about. Number one, being alcoholic. I'm not saying drinking is bad. I'm not saying you should stop boozing or drinking, but have a limit. Have a limit, because drinking is okay, because some people drink when they are happy, some people drink because of peer influence, some people drink when they are depressed or stressed and they want to relax. But in whichever state you're drinking, whatever thing or situation that is causing you to drink, make sure you don't exceed your limit. Make sure you're still sober. Make sure you remain with your respect. Make sure you should, or you must, or you in a position to help yourself in case of anything. Because some people do drink and then they fall down. They start undressing. They start, like, you pee in your pants. Like, it is really cheap. No one is going to respect you when you're doing that. After you peeing on yourself, no one is going to respect you, really. These days, people get, like, videos are everywhere. TikTok is everywhere. Even when you are on the way, they just film you doing nothing. How about that nasty thing? So it's not really important. It's not really good. It's like, it makes us look cheap, and it leads to disrespect. Like, people are not going to respect you because you're doing that. No one is going to do that. Another thing that I think we do and we don't know is being desperate. Well, people are desperate. We are desperate in different things. You can be desperate for love, for money, for I don't know. You can be desperate in so many things. But in whichever, whether it's love, whether it's for money, whether it's for fame, make sure you don't lose yourself. Because if you're being desperate and you're showing it to people, you're doing your desperation to grab whatever you want to grab. People are going to step back, they are going to give you that platform. But remember, people are knowing. People, you're letting people know your weaknesses. People are getting to know your weaknesses, and once you got there, when you make any slight mistake, they are going to use that thing. You're giving people a platform to know you, like to know their weaknesses, to know that strength, to know every good aspect of important things in your life, and they're going to use that to put you down. So guys, don't be desperate. You can do this. You can survive. You can be there without being desperate. You can be there without yearning, without pleading, without, like, you can do it yourself on your own. Than letting someone give you the platform, and then when you reach there, they use that. They use your weakness to put you down. Desperation is a very, very bad thing. It makes you look cheap. People are going to talk behind you. People are bagena sala ekigambo. Abantu bano basala ekigambo, guys. Abantu basala ekigambo ate ne kikumerako. So stop being desperate, okay? Guys, stop being desperate. Okay, friends, don't be desperate. You can do it. You can really, really do it on your own. You can survive. You have God. You have your parents. You have yourself. You can do it. Trust me. So I don't know whether you've subscribed or not. If you've not, that's a wrong move. But we're going to proceed. Okay? The sun and the moon being everywhere, being common. One wallow party you're going, there's an introduction you're going, there is a get together you're going, like you're everywhere, literally everywhere. People can't even miss you. Why yes, the sun and the moon, like why you everywhere? Have respect for yourself. You know, more access you give people is the more chances you're giving them to know you, to know your weaknesses, your strength, to, like, you're going to mess up more than when you're alone. You're going to mess up more when you're with people than when you're alone. It's okay to be alone. It's very, very okay. You know why? You're going to think straight. Than when you're going in a group, you're going to be in a group and then you have 200 shillings. But just because you're in a group, you're going to spend that money, not knowing you have tomorrow. Your business is lacking, your rent is due, you understand? And then you go back home, everything is going to come back to you. But you've spent just because you want to show people that you have. Just because you don't want to feel ashamed, just because you want people to love you, it's going to put you behind, and they are going to be nowhere to help you, unless when you're lucky enough and you have that friend, that trustworthy friend, that friend indeed. But it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. So don't stop being common. Don't be everywhere. It's okay to say no. It's okay to say no, I don't have money. It's okay to say no, I'm busy. It's okay to say no, I want to rest. You know, you be at your home, at your place, in your bed, think, budget, plan, replan. You know, you re-strategy. It's okay. It's okay to say no to people. Don't feel ashamed. Don't feel like you're going to hurt them. It's to say no than giving them false hope. It's better to say no to someone than giving them false hope. If you're not in position to do something, it's okay. You're human. You're not God, okay? So, it's fine. Say no when it's necessary, or if it's necessary. Say yes if it's necessary, okay? So, guys, that's another point. Another thing that I think we're doing wrong, that is making us look cheap, is not subscribing to my channel. Guys, being dependent, it's okay to ask for help, but not every time. So it's okay to ask for help, but from a right person. If you don't trust anyone, then you have to help yourself, because guys, people are users. We are users. We don't keep quiet, and I don't know why, but Don't be dependent. Make sure if you're dependent right now, make sure you give yourself time. Give yourself time to get out of that situation, because it's not going to be forever. And it's okay. It's okay for someone to get tired. It's okay for someone to feel like they are bothered. You are not. That is their life, and it's human. So make sure at least you cut that. Make sure you give yourself time, and that should stop. Being dependent, you can't even think right, because you know maybe they are not okay with this, maybe they are not okay with that, and then sometimes it even hinders our development, our growth and development. So guys, I think we should really be working on that. Being independent, it comes with a lot of freedom, it comes with a lot of growth, self-growth, social growth, financial growth. It comes with a lot. Being dependent should be something that you should eliminate on your bucket list. Being independent is something that you should include on your bucket list. I hope you understand when I say bucket list. And really, it's not good. But if you're independent right now, thank God for that. If you're dependent, it's okay. Pray for that and work hard so that you can go out of that situation. Okay, it's okay, whichever situation you're in today, it's okay. Work on it, pray for it, and you should get out of that. Is doing too much. Stop doing too much. You're doing too much makeup. You look like you didn't give everything time. You're dressing like the way you want. You're doing whatever other people are doing. Don't do what Beyonce is doing. Don't do what Rihanna is doing, because you're not Rihanna. You can do better than Rihanna, or you can do something of your own. Be creative now. Don't, like, one of the causes to doing or to being too much is coping. It is competition, unnecessary competition, and I don't know why it's so into ladies, but I don't think it's right. Unnecessary competition. We are different. You're as different as everyone is, as different as their thumbnails or thumbprints. You understand? So we are all different. You can do better. We can all be better in our own worlds. We can be doing the same thing, and we are doing it differently because we have different dreams. Just don't copy just because you want to be like this one. No, I know we have people, we have idols. We have those people who inspire us, but it doesn't mean you're going to do the same thing. No, it doesn't work that way. They also have their idols, their inspirations, but they're not doing the same thing as those people or as their idols are doing. They just get impressed, inspired, and motivated, and then you go and do your own thing. Don't copy. It's going to lead you to doing much, because you're not going to give everything time, and you think like Rihanna, you're so ready to be like me. I didn't start this channel with makeup, with dressing like this. No, I was so like, it was so poor. It was so bad, not because I couldn't afford it, but the situation couldn't allow. Who have been here for a certain period of time, you know where I started from. You know where we started from, and we are here. I didn't rush anything. I didn't do what others were doing, because I knew we are different, and I have my own time, and we have different dreams, and I knew how much I want to take, like, time, how long I want it to be like, and how I want my things to look like, So don't copy, don't do too much. It's not going to look good. It makes you look cheap, really. So one of the most important thing and most important point here for today is watching my content and not subscribing. Guys, I don't know what you're doing. We've come to the end of this video, and I'm going to stop from here. kindly go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Tell me what other content you would like to know and to see on this channel. And you should come and buy clothes. Have them in plenty. I do curtains too, just like that beautiful curtain. We do makeup and we do decoration, everything in one place. Okay, so thank you for being here. I hope you've got something. If you've got something, if you've been doing one of the things that I've talked about here, it's high time we stopped and let us elevate our lives together. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing, for liking. Make sure you like this video if you've learned one or two things, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.